Once upon a time, in a lush, green jungle, lived a small and curious gibbon named Giggles. Giggles was not like the other gibbons. He had a special gift: he could play music with the leaves. Every morning, Giggles would wake up with the sun, greeting the day with a melody of rustling leaves. The other animals in the jungle would wake up to his music, starting their day with a smile. One day, Giggles noticed that the jungle was not as lively as usual. The birds were quiet, and the monkeys were gloomy. Giggles felt a pang of worry in his heart. He decided to play his music louder, hoping to cheer up his friends. As Giggles played, the melody filled the jungle, bouncing off the trees and echoing through the air. The birds began to sing along, their voices joining Giggles' leaves in a beautiful symphony. The monkeys swung from tree to tree, laughing and playing, their spirits lifted by the music. The jungle was once again filled with joy and life. Giggles felt a sense of satisfaction wash over him. He knew that his gift was not just for his enjoyment, but to bring happiness to others. From that day forward, Giggles continued to play his music every day. His melody became a beacon of hope and happiness in the jungle, reminding everyone that even the smallest creature can make a big difference. And so, the tale of little Gibbon spread throughout the jungle, inspiring all who heard it. They learned that sometimes, the most beautiful music comes from the simplest of instruments, and that everyone has a unique gift to share with the world. As the sun set, Giggles would climb high into the trees, watching the jungle below. He knew that his music was a gift, and he was grateful for the chance to share it with his friends every day. And as he drifted off to sleep, the soft rustling of the leaves was a lullaby, a promise of a new day filled with laughter and music.